We are here at the UN Studio headquarters in Amsterdam, and the workshop that we are just finishing now is part of the thesis project that students are developing in their studies. UN Studio has offices all around the world, and I think their experience here, but also what we can take from UN Studio, is something that can be quite useful for their global approach to the profession. Here for the master thesis, we are really focusing on ideas around circular living, what that means and what kind of architectural response we can have to that idea that perhaps it's still a little bit intangible. So really the starting point of the work that students are doing from the urban scale but also down to the construction scale is really focusing on the challenges that the architectural profession is facing in terms of climate change and also the responses that we have to give to the built environment, in a way trying to mitigate the effect that architecture nevertheless will actually have upon the future. Of course, this is a program that is fully taught in English. Our faculty cohort also come from very different places, also have very different backgrounds, very international backgrounds. The design management module is something very, very unique that we put together in our Master in Architecture. It consists of 3 courses. Each one of them focused on a particular set of skills that an architect needs to know in terms of how to run his or her own business in the architectural profession. We're bringing them a lot of different skills for them to decide which type of architect to be, where to work, and the type of role they will have for society. So I think that this level of autonomy, but also this kind of flexibility when they get to work out there, is something that I would really like for them to take from this program.